So I just finished my outline of my octopus. When I hide that reference image, I'm left with my detailed drawing of my octopus using just a black vector brush tool. What I want to do is I also want to add some kind of environment to it. So I'm going to go find some other reference images to use. I think I'm going to add some coral. I found this image right here. I'm going to add it to my photo album. And just like I did with my octopus, I'm going to place that photo into my document. Now, grab the corners so it keeps it proportionate. And I could always resize it and stuff. So I like to work just a little bit larger scale. It's actually going over my octopus, but I'm going to hide my octopus layer. I think it's just a lot easier to work with. So I'm going to hit a new layer, and it's going to be a drawing layer. I'm going to use my vector brush. Again, I'm going to use a basic taper, and I'm going to just redraw my other photo, okay? So I'm just going to carefully redraw it, just tracing it, trying to get all the detail. And you don't have to use the whole image. You can only use parts if you want. Kind of using it as a guide and kind of recreating my own lines. And then I could hide my reference image and I'm just left with my coral. Now I can have the octopus reappear. Now it kind of looks out of place, but what I could do is I can use the transform button and I can resize it. And I can move it in different places. What's kind of cool with this is I could also duplicate it. So if I want to duplicate this layer and resize it, I could create a twin, but have that twin be a little bit smaller. And I could use the eraser tool, maybe erase this little part here. So think about your environment, create your environment, and then I'm going to show you in the next video how to add a border. Okay,